Some enterprises are migrating from traditional PBX to IPPBX. MyPBX can help with the transition. By connecting analog ports of both machines, the existing telephone system is retained and IP extensions are added. The extensions on both sides can make free calls to each other, and multiple trunks like VoIP, E1, BRI, and GSM UMTS can be applied. Suppose the extension numbers of the traditional PBX are 3-digit numbers starting with 7, and those of MyPBX start with 5. Plug the telephone wire into the FXO port of MyPBX and the other end of the wire into the FX port of the traditional PBX. Configure an outbound route. Set the dial pattern as 7XX and strip 0 digits from front. Select the extensions and move the PSTN line that is connected to the PBX to selected. The SIP extension selected can directly call extensions of the legacy PBX now. Next, connect the FXS port of MyPBX and the FXO port of the traditional PBX with a telephone wire. Then configure relevant settings on the legacy PBX. Use extension of the legacy PBX to dial SIP extension of MyPBX. As the legacy PBX and the MyPBX are interconnected, extensions of the PBX can call out through chunks of MyPBX. Add an outbound route and set the dial pattern as 5 dot. And strip 1 digit from front. Select the FXS extension whose port is connected with the legacy PBX. And select the trunk needed. Now use the extension of the legacy PBX to press 5 first, followed by the destination number. Connected through TAPI, MyPBX can make calls from Outlook contacts. Let's configure TAPI first. Open the TAPI driver and click Configure and Settings. And in asterisk server box, fill in access parameter. In alias, fill in the name of the PBX. An IP address is the one of MyPBX. Port is the default 5038. And username and password are the account information of MyPBX administrator. The default pair is admin and password. Click Connect and OK. Next, choose a TAPI line and click Settings. In the field of channel, fill in extension information, i.e. the extension type/extension number. Enter your name. And click OK. Now run the test on Outlook. If Outlook is open during the configuration, please restart the program. Right-click one of your contacts and click Call. In the new call box, select a number. Then click Dialing Options. In the pull-down list of Connect Using Line, choose the MyPBX extension channel created previously. Click OK to return to the new call box. At last, click Start Call, and the call is connected. External storage extends the storage capacity of MyPBX. Once configured, the voicemail files and call recording files created before will be moved to the Windows-based share folder. Enter the external storage settings page. And follow the steps. Take the Win 7 operating system as an example. Step 1. Create a folder. Step 2. Create a TXT file named status in this folder. Next, configure share settings for this folder. The folder must be Windows-based. If the system is Windows Vista 2008 or 7, then everyone should be added in the share list. Back to MyPBX web interface, fill in the information. From top to down, fill in the IP address of the PC. The name of the shared folder. The administrator's login name of the PC. And the access password of the PC. Then decide files created how many days ago will be moved to the net disk. Click Save after configuration. MyPBX will give you a prompt whether the configuration succeeds or not. Also, you can check if there is a file named Succeed in the shared folder. Before upgrading via HTTP, please make sure your MyPBX can access the website of Yeeastar. In the web interface, enter the firmware upgrade page. In the firmware download source, choose HTTP URL and fill in the download address. The download address for each model can be found in Yeeastar's website, in the support page. If Reset configuration to factory defaults is checked, MyPBX will perform factory reset after upgrade. Click Start to upgrade. System damage may be caused if power is cut off during upgrade. Please download the needed firmware from Yeeastar's website to the local computer first. MyPBX firmware is a bin file. Open TFTPD32, the TFTP server. Click Browse to find where the upgrade file is located. Back to the upgrade page. Select TFTP server. In the field of TFTP server, fill in the IP address of TFTPD32 server and the file name, and click Start. Also keep the power on during upgrade. This is the end of Lesson 4, and also the end of Level 2. Congratulations on finishing Level 2.